Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Brandon local and long-distance movers near me. A cheap Brandon moving company will provide you with the right local and long-distance moving services. 3Movers knows how to make sure you get the help you need for your move. We provide you with plenty of service options to make your relocation simple. Our movers have helped homeowners, business owners, veterans, students, and renters move. Choosing to book your long-distance move with us gives you access to the following: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. There are plenty of options to help you get to your next destination when you work with us. Our team of long-distance movers will help you get the most out of your move. We know how to make your relocation easier. If you're ready to move locally, you need the right Canada Moving Company. The best team of professional movers will help ensure you get the type of move you truly need. You can save time and avoid injury with local movers. 3Movers will streamline the entire process to help you get moved faster. Our team knows how to make sure you can get to where you need to go without all the struggle. We can take a 3-day move and get it done in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brandon moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.